Hello dear children, welcome to my English class. This class is for 2nd PUC students of Karnataka state syllabus. In this class I am going to discuss the pattern of the question papers. The board has recently released 3 model question papers. And I believe that many students nowadays, instead of concentrating in the class, most of the concentration was on the screen only. So that is why this is my small effort to reach the children, to help them to understand the pattern of the question paper, because if you understand the pattern of the question paper, definitely so your preparation would be very good. Before going to see the pattern, different sections, what it is given, let me first tell you about the instructions which are given in the question paper. There are 7 instructions in the question paper. And the first instruction is you will have to answer all the sections. That means all the sections are compulsory. And the second instruction here is they are mentioning about the word limit. For example, 2-mark question, they are asking you to write in 1 or 2 sentences. So you need to stick to that word limit itself. And 3-mark question, the word limit is given 60 words, and for 4-mark question, the word limit is given 100 words. Do not exceed this word limit. That is the instruction given. And next, the third instruction they are given is to mention the correct question number on your answer sheet. And fourth instruction is regarding multiple choice question. So even I see my students also sometimes do this mistake. That is, they write maybe only the alphabet, do not write the answer, or sometimes they write only the answer, do not mention the alphabet. But that is very clear. You have to find the correct option, choose the correct option, and you have to rewrite that answer. Along with the alphabet, you have to write the answer. And so the next, that is 5th instruction they are giving you is regarding question number 30. Question number 30, you have unseen passage or poem. You have internal choice. So for this passage or poem, it is given for 9 marks, where you are not supposed to break the sequence. So in one page, that 9 questions in a sequence you have to write. You can choose any one. That means either passage or a poem. Next, the 6th instruction is about the question numbers 30, 31, 32 and 36. Here internal choice is given, and that means question number 30A, 30B, 31A, 31B, 32A, 32B. You can attempt any one. What happens if I attempt both? If you attempt both, definitely, so the time will not be sufficient for you to complete the question paper. So that is why first what you have to write, that you concentrate, and suppose if you have extra time, then at the end you can attempt the extra answers. The next 7th is for part A questions, only the first written answers will be considered for evaluation. That means sometimes students, when they have confusion, so whether this answer or that answer, so in one page, one option, and after 2 pages or at the end, once again they try to attempt that question. So here the instruction is very clear. Only the first written answers will be taken for evaluation. So that is why, so what you have to do is part A questions. So here let me start even explaining the pattern also. The first part A, you have multiple choice questions, 10 questions. And these 10 questions are from Springs literature part only. And then 11th question, 12th, 13 is from the grammar section. So 11th is filled with the right form of the verb. So almost most of the times they give you passive form of the verbs. You need to fill with the passive form of the verbs for 3 marks. And next 2 marks are for the expressions. Fill with the expressions. You will be given the options also. And next 13th question is for 5 marks, match the following. So here in the given paragraph, 5 pronouns will be highlighted. And those 5 pronouns will be listed under the column A, and under the column B its answers. That means pronoun. So according to the definition, the word which we use instead of a noun. Similarly, in the passage, in the given paragraph also, which word is used, instead of which word that pronoun is used. You need to find out, and answers are given in the B section. You need to match that. So totally for section A, part A, you are given 20 marks. There is no internal choice and all the questions are compulsory. Next, when it comes to part B. Part B is completely, it is from the Springs, that is literature part. There are 2-mark questions, 4 questions will be given and you need to attempt any 3, that is each mark carries 2 marks, 6 marks. And next, third main, that is answer any 4 of the following, that means 6 questions will be given. Out of 6, you need to answer any 4 for 3 marks. And next, again 6 marks. In the next main, 6 questions will be given. And in that, you need to answer any 3 questions. Each carries 4 marks. So this is what totally 40 marks of the literature part, that is Springs. You have equal weightage for Springs and Streams also. Springs is for 40 marks, Streams is for 40 marks. So here Springs, here you are given 10 multiple choice questions, 3 2-mark questions, 4 3-mark questions and 3 4-mark questions, totally 40 marks. Next, come to part C. In part C, you have question number 30. Already we discussed question number 30. It is an unseen passage or an unseen poem. You have to attempt any one. You have internal choice here. This is for 9 marks. Once again, I would like to remind you about the instruction that the questions here, the answers, you have to write in a sequence itself. You are not supposed to break the sequence. Come to part D. So part D here, you have the question number 31. Question number 31A and 31B. 31A is rewrite as directed and 31B is fill in the blanks with the right linkers. So 4 marks it is the main. What is given under question 31A? You are given 4 questions. First is fill with correct article or preposition. And second question is you need to rearrange the jumbled segments into a meaningful sentence. And third is you need to choose the right verb, that is which verb agrees with the subject. And the fourth is you are given a blank where you need to fill with the appropriate form of the verb. This is for 4 marks. And the choice, it is internal choice is given. No? So 31B is fill with the linkers. 4 linkers are given here and paragraph with 4 blanks. So you need to place those given linkers in the place where it is suitable. Next, question 32. Question 32, again you have A, 32B. 32A is again rewrite as directed. Here the questions are from the question forms. It may be like asking a question tag, or it may be like you need to frame a question to get the underlined word as an answer, or you may get a question. So that is you have to frame a question with the right form of do. If you are perfect with the question forms, definitely this is very easy. And as a choice here, they are given you 32B, rectify the errors. Here 2 sentences are given with some errors. You need to correct that error and you have to rewrite the sentence, correct sentence. The errors may be related to the prepositions or articles or subject verb agreement or word order, or sometimes it is about redundancy also. And next it is question 33. So question 33 is from note making. A small paragraph is given. Below a diagram with 4 boxes along with the clues are given. You need to follow the clues and find out the answer from the paragraph to fill in that box. 2 marks. Next, question number 34 is a reported speech. A question from the reported speech. So report the following conversation. Here the conversation is usually it is from the lessons A Sunny Morning or a Two Dear, or I believe that books will never disappear, or the author. From these 4 you may get. Question number 35 and a reported speech is for 5 marks. You are given 5 sentences there. And question 35 is for 3 marks. When you, that is dialogue writing. So a conversation is given with blanks where you need to fill with the suitable dialogues. Coming to the last part, part E. Part E is for 5 marks. So this part E for 5 marks, what is given? Job application is given, and as a choice here, speech writing. You can attempt any one which you are perfect. So do not try both the things. If at all you have time, you can try. But if you do not have the time, so definitely you can attempt any one which you have a very good practice. This is what the question paper pattern, and in total, so if you see the question paper that is in 5 parts, first part A has MCQs and question 11, 12, 13 from the grammar. Totally it is for 20 marks, 10, and the 10 grammar, it is for 20 marks. And when it comes to part B, so part B you are given actually 2 mark question and 3 mark question, 4 mark question. So it is 6, 12 and 12. It is 30 marks you are given. Part B has 30 marks. And part C, as I told you, the passage which carries 9 marks. Part D, the grammar section where you are given most of the grammar is covered there. That is linkers, note making, dialogue writing, reported speech, errors, question forms, articles, prepositions, jumble segments, and a subject verb agreement. For all these, it is given 16 marks. 16 marks in part D. And the last part, that is E, it is for 5 marks. Totally, this is 80 marks paper. Children, I hope I am very clear about the pattern of the question paper. Hope it is very useful for you to understand the pattern of the question paper, so that you can start your preparation based on that, each part how it is and how many marks are allotted. Once you understand the pattern of the question paper, definitely the preparation would be very easy. With that hope, I have made this video, and any suggestions if you have, please comment in the comment section. And also if at all you want me to make more videos on any particular topic, you have a doubt, and you want me to explain certain topics from the grammar or from the literature also, that also you can comment in the comment section. And hope you all understood this, and prepare well for your annual exams. All the best. Thank you.